just take a piece of cardboard box and I cut 2 slits in it, 1/4 of the way down, and then I wind it. I take my cardboard bobbin and I hook the thread through like that. Now I just turn it and I wind it. I just take that other end and I wrap it around and hook it through one of the other slits, and now they're nicely compacted. We need the orange, we need a dark green, moss green, I'm gonna need my bright green, this is my dark green, this is my light green. I'm also gonna grab a couple of these bobbins.